the chemical composition of ribosomes. We had, based on sedimentation coefficient, the 70s ribosomes and 80s ribosomes, right? 70s ribosomes are having two subunits. The largest subunit is called 50s, the smaller subunit is called 30s. Likewise, 80s also, the largest subunit is called 60s, the smaller subunit is called 40s. S means Svedberg unit. S means Svedberg unit or density or size, right? The association or dissociation of this smaller and larger subunit is based on the critical concentration of magnesium ion. The critical concentration of magnesium ion, Mg plus 2 plus, is about 0.001 mole. In a cytoplasm, if the magnesium ion concentration will be about 0.001 mole, then that will be called critical concentration of magnesium. This is very important for association of 50s and 30s of 70s, 60s and 40s of 80s. Otherwise, if the critical concentration of magnesium will be decreased or increased other than this critical concentration, then what is happening? This subunits will be dissociated from 70s and 80s. Now, mainly the ribosomes are made up with RNA and proteins. See, this 50s type of ribosomes, usually the 70s type of ribosomes are made by three types of ribosomes. Three types of rRNA. What are the three types of rRNA? Yes, one is 23S rRNA and 5S rRNA of 50S of larger subunit of 70S and 16S rRNA of 30S type. So that means 70S type of ribosomes are made up of the three types of RNA. One is 23S rRNA, 5S rRNA of 50S, 16S rRNA of 30S. Right. This is the chemical composition of this one, 70S type of ribosomes. And 80S type of ribosomes are made up of with four types of rRNA. What are the four types of RNAs? That means 28S rRNA and 5S rRNA, 5.8S rRNA of 60S subunit. 60S subunit of 80S type of ribosomes. And last one, 18S rRNA is made up of with 40S smaller subunit of 80S type. This is the chemical composition of rRNA. This is the chemical composition of ribosome, each type of ribosomes, right? And this biogenesis of ribosomes. Biogenesis of ribosomes. The biogenesis of ribosomes, See, in prokaryotic cells, and eukaryotic cell organelles such as matrix of plastids and mitochondria, the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells and matrix of plastids and mitochondria. Here 70s type of ribosomes are formed, and then 80s type of ribosomes are formed by nucleolus of eukaryotic cells. This is about biogenesis of ribosomes and functions of ribosomes. Usually, ribosomes are involved in the synthesizing of proteins. Ribosomes are involved in the synthesis of proteins, and that's why these ribosomes are otherwise called protein factories of the cell. This is about ribosomes. So, all the best. Have a nice day.